It's going to look just like a bar graph. It is a bar graph. However, our bars are going to touch. Because that's going to be the difference here. One of the differences. That our bars are going to touch. And that's all written up there. So what we have to figure out, the first thing we have to figure out is how wide each bar is going to be. And this is the formula right here to figure out how wide each bar is going to be. It's going to be your largest value minus your smallest value divided by the number of bars you're going to have. They also call number of bars classes. Okay, it means the same thing. If I tell you how many classes you have, that's how many bars you have. We're going to work that out. Largest number minus smallest number divided by the number of bars.
Yeah.
And then we're always going to go up to the next integer. So if I divided something out and I get 7.3, I'm going to go up to the next integer. What's up to the next integer from 7.3?
What's the next whole number at 7.3?
7.4.
8. Now, if you divide it out and you get a whole number, let's say I divide it out and I get 10, you still go up to the next integer. You always go up. Okay, so whether it's a whole number or a decimal, doesn't matter. You're going to go to that next whole number. Okay, so what we're going to start doing, rather than reading all this to you, we're going to start on this problem. And we're going to be filling in this chart. And that's going to take the longest part, is filling in the chart. So it says the one-way commuting distances in miles for 60 workers in downtown Dallas follows. Okay, so the first thing we need to figure out is how wide each one of our bars is going to be, because they don't tell us how wide to make it. However, it does tell us we need to use 6 classes, or 6 bars. So again, my width of each bar is the highest number minus the lowest number divided by the number of bars. And then you go up to the next number. So you need to look through all the data in there. What's my highest number? Is it 47? Make sure, yes. The highest number is 47. What's the smallest number? 1. And they're telling us divide by 6. They tell us there's 6 bars. They have to tell you how many bars they want in the problem. If you're going to enter this in your calculator now, either you have to press enter after you do the numerator, or you got to put this in parentheses. So plug that in your calculator and tell me what you guys get.
7.6.
7.6.
What do you do to 7.6?
You round it up to 8. You always go up to that next whole number.
Okay, so let's say you got 8.1, you go up to 9.
Correct.
Wait, we have to put the topic first every time?
Yes.
Don't you just get 8?
No, if it
Always
was,
going up.
you all,
You're not following our regular rules of rounding.
no,
After
right.
something extra, you go up.
Even if it's nothing, even if it came out to be 8, you'd go up to 9. You always go up to that next whole number.
Wait, if it came up to 8?
You go up to 9.
No matter what you get, you're going up 1.
You always go up 1.
What do you think? Oh, this is going to be easy, guys.
Okay, now's where the hard question is, because you guys are going to mess up right here. We're going to list our classes here. We have 6 of them. 6 bars. Classes are bars. So my first bar, what's my smallest number up here?
1.
1. So we have to start at 1. You start your lowest number. It has to be 8 units long. So if it's 8 units long, where am I ending at?
What number are we starting at? 1. Remember when we took, gosh, it was a section 11-2 when we were counting and we said, how do you count? Where are you going to go? What number are you going to end on, Brian?
That's what I want to see the fingers.
What number are you ending at? 8.
8. So my first,
You counted 1. You start at 1.
right, you have to start at 1. So your first class is from 1 to 8. Your first bar is going to be from 1 to 8. So my next bar, this is 1 to 8, my next number is 9. So again, you have to count. Because we ended at 8, so the next number is 9.
10, 11, 12, 13, 17, 16.
Is it 16 or 17? Which one? Count the 9. Use your
9,
fingers.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
16. Yes, you did.
You keep trying to add 8 in your head. Doesn't work.
Use
that
your
way. It's hard to
fingers.
count.
17, 18, 19,
So 17.
4,
Yes.
8, 16, 24, 30,
Yeah,
Seven-
you'll notice it's going up 8 if you actually
Correct.
look
32.
on the two sides as it goes.
Yeah, if you look on the left-hand side, you see from 1 to 9 is 8 units. 9 to 17 is 8 units. You add 8 to it. Same thing on the right side.
40.
You're jumping way ahead. 25 to what? 32.
41 to 49.
You're way ahead. 33 to
What? 33?
41.
40. Count 33.
and then finally 41 to
49. 49. 41. 48. 40. Because of the 8.
Pause it here.